Here we're going to graph the solution to the system x greater than 0, y greater than 0, x plus y less than 11, and x squared plus y squared greater than 25. And so as you look at this, you first of all realize that it's going to give us a region that is restricted to part of the first quadrant because of the x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. So let's get those two axes in there. Let's do 0, 0, and 0, let's say 10. And because that it has to be strictly greater than, make sure you put a dashed line there. Now go in for the y equal to 0 as a dashed line. I'll use 0, 0 again. And this time 10. 0. Whoops. Oh, I did not get 0, 0 there. Here we go. So I did 0, 0, and I meant to do 10, 0. Yes, I did 10, 0. And we make that into a dashed line also. Okay, so those are the first two. And then we will have y is less than the opposite of x plus 11. So I'm going to choose the line tool again. Choose 0, 11 as the y-intercept. It has slope minus 1. So if I go down 2, I'll be going to the right 2. And so that would look as if 2, 9 is also a solution. So 2, 9. And that should be a dashed line as well. So far it's everything in the first quadrant that is below the line that was just drawn. But now the fourth piece that we have to graph is x squared plus y squared greater than 25. And we know that x squared plus y squared equaled 5 squared would be a circle with center at the origin and radius 5. Because of the greater than 25, it's everything outside of that circle. And so we go to the circle tool, put in 0, 0 for the center, and maybe 0, 5 for one of the points on the circle. Now it has to be everything outside that circle but below the line with slope -1 in the first quadrant. The one thing I need to do before moving to fill is make my circle have a dashed line, because it's everything outside, not including the circle itself. So now I use the fill option. There we go. And we're going to find all of the vertices. I'm going to start moving along around the region in the bottom left and go clockwise. So my first vertex is 0, 5. The second vertex is 0, 11. The third and I'm just checking what the wording is here. Answer from smallest to largest x, then smallest to largest y. So I think the next one that I should not go counterclockwise because there still is a vertex that would be 5, 0, and that is smaller than the 11, 0. So 5, 0, and lastly 11, 0. And the area is bounded. That's our last question regarding this system here.